Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Cooking with Ciro. So I have a very special treat for you guys today. I'm gonna show you how to make a quick and easy, delicious, cold treat for yourself. So we are going to be doing mangonadas, and if you do not know what it is a mango candy chili drink, and it's delicious. And I have on screen the things that you're going to need: frozen mango, mango juice, tamarindo chili sticks, mango candy, chamoy sauce, tahini. I am using frozen mango already cut up and ready to blend. You can use just fresh mango, but if you do, you're going to probably need to use ice. I am using mango juice to sweeten it a little bit because I already tasted this mango, and this particular mango is a little bitter. So I'm going to use a little bit of mango juice, but you don't have to use mango juice. You can use your favorite sweetener. You can use syrup, honey, or just regular granulated sugar. That'll work as well. So let's get to it. First things first, we're gonna blend up some mango. And I'm gonna use a little bit of mango juice. Just a little bit, because I want the final product to be a slurry. It's gonna be kind of like a slushy. Alrighty, so it is all nice and blended. Wow, look at that. Nice slushy. Alright, so we're done. That was the hardest part. We're going to get on to serving this. So I'm going to use a clear glass just so that you can see it. Now, a lot of people use the chamoy sauce and they will line the glass. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to layer mine. I'm also going to hide a little tamarindo mango candy in it. There you go. And we're going to go ahead and put the rest of the slushy on top. Next, we're going to top this with the little candy tamarindo stick. It doubles as a straw. And I'm going to put a little bit of tahini. Now, I just thought of something, so it's not in the ingredient list, but I'm going to add a garnish. I'm going to put a lemon slice in there. And there you have it. Easy, delicious. Okay, let's give this a little taste. Oh yeah, it's good. Good stuff. Mango. Fresh. Wow. This tastes like a beach, okay? Good stuff. There you guys have it. It's easy to make. Literally do it in less than 5 minutes. It's a nice, cool treat for these hot summers that we're having. All right, so like the video, share the video, subscribe, all that jazz. Drop in the comments if there's a particular recipe or maybe even a drink recipe that you'd like me to do, and I will do it for you guys, okay? If you didn't like this video, that's fine. I'm gonna make another video. Go ahead and like that one. Have a good one.